guys and gals out there, this is Rockin Raffi, bringing you another edition of Rockin Raffi's Home Cooking. And if you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button right down below. We're going to be taking you to the Middle East. We're going to be making a breakfast dish called Mamounia. Mamounia is a warm to hot cereal breakfast early in the morning. You can also consider this a dessert breakfast. Its origin comes straight from Aleppo, Syria, where it's served throughout the Middle East, and it's also very well known in Beirut, Lebanon. This is by far one of my favorite breakfasts because it keeps me satisfied throughout the entire day. You can kind of compare this dish to a cream of wheat, except cream of wheat lacks a lot of flavor. And in today's episode, we're going to be adding a secret flavor not found anywhere else of this recipe online. It's something my mom would always make. So, what are we waiting for? It's coming right up. Let's start off making 1.5 cups of hot English breakfast tea and add 1/4 cup of sugar to the tea and stir until fully dissolved. In a medium-sized saucepan under low heat, melt 3 tablespoons of margarine, 1/4 cup of semolina, and stir until golden brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then let's add our secret flavor ingredient, which is the hot English breakfast tea, to the semolina mixture in this saucepan and stir until it thickens for about 4 minutes. Pour immediately in a bowl and sprinkle a dash of grated cinnamon and enjoy. And here it is, our Mamounia. Let's start eating this before it becomes lunchtime. This is out of this world. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this so much. I can eat the whole thing, so give me a minute. The best part about this early morning breakfast, it took less than 15 minutes to make. I mean, who has time to make breakfast, right? This in no time. Head down to your local Middle Eastern market and pick up a bag of semolina, because I guarantee you all the other ingredients you already have at home in your cupboard. Well, that just wraps up today's episode, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts on this Mamounia are. And don't forget to share with your friends and family, and that bell. Click on that bell so that you're notified when my next video is uploaded. And remember that this is now the Lenten season, so we're going to be doing a lot of Lenten foods. And for all you vegans out there, keep watching because we've got a few good treats coming up. And until next time, keep on rocking!